Hi team, this is Chetna. I have enrolled for this course recently. After attending few sessions, I could say I was not knowing that it would be so mind-blowing and informative. Though I'm working in public sector banks, so we get only 2 Saturdays off, but I still managed to attend all the classes in my working Saturdays also. Um, because I always be so excited to attend that. Today's session was so absolutely mind blowing. About me, I work in National Bank in a manager post, and currently I am posted in my hometown, that is West Bengal, Asansol. I am working in banking sector as an officer for last 11 years, though it is common sector, so we don't get salary hike due to our good work, but we definitely get appreciation from our bosses as I am currently in backend office, and this AI tool learning is very much helpful in my work. Though I like all the like AI tools so far, but I personally like learning about the efficient use of ChatGPT with the correct prompt uses. Thank you so much for all the knowledge sharing with us so far. I would request you to provide us notes of the session for our future reference, as it would be helpful in appearing Microsoft certificate examination. Thank you. Thank you.